We are using Oracle Business Intelligence Stack for all the business analytics requirements. We are fairly good in the deployment stack because we are using Oracle's ready business analytics apps also, and we have deployed it in almost all the areas like financial analytics, sales analytics, supply chain analytics, order management analytics, uh, more or less purchasing analytics. So it is all procurement analytics, procurement and spend analytics. So it is almost covering end-to-end spectrum in all the areas of analytics. We have deployed it around 3 years ago, and we have not given access to almost everybody. We have given access of BI to a certain level and above in the organization, and we are fairly good users of all the analytics. So from the business users as perspective, whatever ready dashboards are created and reports are created, those are being used. We don't find being a manufacturing company, we don't find users using self-service part of it to build their own reports, etc. But we do have some cubes which users can take as an input and formulate the reports what they want, particularly in the sales analytics area. So there are sales analytics users, particularly at the time of budgeting, they extract last 3 years information, they put it the way they want, they concise it, they summarize it, they do some little bit of a self-service, but in a given one area, not everywhere. Everywhere we couldn't establish similar level of learning curve. Availability of a manpower is one of the challenge which we have.
As in the skill set.
Skill sets, yeah. As availability of a skill sets in a particular that domain is one of the challenge we have faced. And with the limited number of people inside in the organization, conducting training, increasing adoptions, all those requires a special effort. So we normally take the outsourced vendors help whenever there is a issue of availability of skills based on the projects. Again, when we want to do this kind of a projects, proving the return on investment, quantifying the business benefits is really a hard thing in particularly analytics area. Because analytics will give you information, intelligence, but acting on that information is totally depend on the users, and whatever benefits he gets, there's always a chance that users will claim that is a result of actions and may not be credit may not be given to the intelligence given by the analytics. We are not having too much of a challenge because we are using end-to-end Oracle stack. We are a fairly integrated company. We have our own ERP, CRM, SCM, all the applications purchased from Oracle, and they are already integrated, and all the BI which is there on all the various business BI apps also are sitting on top of that. So we don't have much problems on the integration. We are also integrated our business partners. So there are some apps customer facing, there are some apps supplier facing, and after sales service franchises facing. But all of these applications are tightly integrated by our in-house team. Creating a business awareness sufficiently so that there is a easy adoption later, because in the beginning itself, before starting a project, if sufficient buy-in is created from the business, that will definitely help to make the project successful. In our case, we had one full-time senior management resource as a project manager for these BI projects, not from IT. So, and that was one of the key reasons why the adoption level is at least there to whatever we were able to achieve.